Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to customize the appearances of map in OS Map. So OS Map offers several customization options to tailor the appearances of map according to your preference. How you can customize the map appearances in OS Map. First of all, the map style. The OS provide different map style or layers, the look that you can choose from to change the look of the map. So for that case, you have to first of all log in into OS Map and then go to the map features. After that, when you press on the icon located right in center, then you can just go ahead and select the map type as well. When you locate that or select that, you can just go ahead and customize your map location type as well. And here you can see that this is how it's going to look like. When you're on the page, go to the home page and go to the gear icon. Here you can go ahead and make changes with your preferences, that is unit of measurement, change activity speed, auto record activity, notification, and all that. And accordingly, you can go through it and make changes with the following settings. So that's how you can customize the appearances of map in OS Map. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.